there's a lot of videos on YouTube showing people putting stuff in a bowl and pouring bloody boiling oil over it. Don't do that. It's dangerous. Things have a. You don't want chili and loads of other stuff spit at you. Right. I was shown this in Chongqing by my old pal Wei Xiong. Now the chili oil only has two ingredients: oil and chili. A very direct person. And she told me, yeah, a little saucepan of oil, just like this one, and you boil it. They say boil it on oil there. I quite like that because it is boiling. Yeah, rather than getting it up to this temperature. And her way of doing it, she said you hold your hand about 10 centimetres above the saucepan. When it really hurts, then your oil is ready. And that is probably about 10 centimetres, and that really bloody hurts, but that might just be the flame of the gas. So I'm going to let that go a bit longer. She's taught me some other stuff as well. Like woman could knock up a tomato soup in 10 minutes with fresh tomatoes. Absolutely lovely. She used ingredients very sparingly. And one of the other things she did was she never bought washing up liquid. What she'd do was she'd keep the water from where she'd soaked and washed her rice. So that was all is for the starch. And she washed her dishes in that to save money. Very thrifty person. Now, it's not bubbling, it's not boiling, but it really hurts. I put my hand over it, and that might be the flame. Think about a lot of Chinese cooking, real Chinese cooking. So I'm talking about, you know, Chongqing, which is in the Sichuan province. It used to be the main sort of town. Now it's a municipality of Chongqing, but they use a lot of chili there, and a lot of the main meals include noodles, especially for breakfast. It's called mian, and we often say chow mein. Chow kind of is a bastardization of food, chiu in Chinese. Mian or mein, as we call it, just means noodles. So it's like noodle food, I think, is one translation of it. One of the ways I forgot that she taught me to check the other way, 10 centimetre rule, or put a chopstick in and see if bubbles come up from your chopstick. I don't know if you can see that, but oh yeah, that's right. And the way to do this safely, right, you take it off the heat and you put the chilies in it. You can see that's fine, but it's not splattering up. Can you see that? Right, and then you just leave it. That's all you need to do. The smell is great, it's nutty, and once you left it, the taste is really nutty because you've got the seeds frying nicely, but not burning. And the oil comes out a lovely, vibrant red quite often, depending on how much of the crushed chili you should put in it. Yeah, there's variations of what people do with this, right? This I've used a lot of oil. It's coming with that because this is just a raw condiment you put on things, or you can like add it to something else, to some noodles or put some kind of sauce. You know, we'll have got another kind of noodle sauce with more in it. Yeah, spring onions and garlic, you know, ginger, you know, Szechuan pepper. You don't need to put a lot in these things to get the flavour. You know, soy sauce, vinegar. You know, you can use the rice wine as well, which gives it a wonderful depth. You don't need a lot in this. It can be very complex anyway. Let's have a look at that. It's still bubbling away a bit. I really want to pick this up just now and show it to the camera. I hope you can see it. It's got a nice gloss on it. Smells really good actually. Very nutty and savoury. And I'll show you about to make a slightly more complex sauce or condiment or just a concentrated thing to add to something else is using the onion and other stuff in it, and especially garlic. Really, the best way to do that is in a wok. Get it hot in the same way, and then put some of these other wetter ingredients in it. If you chuck things like chilies and spring onions in that hot oil, it's got a chance it'll blow up on you. If you put it in a bowl, like you keep seeing in YouTube videos, pouring it in to that, yeah, you can do it if you know what you're doing, but please don't do that if you've never done it before. You could get hurt, you know. Now, this has cooled down enough actually. And if you can, you've got an old glass jar, put it in there. This is an old peanut butter jar. You could just cool it right down if you wanted to. But for now, I'm running out of kitchen roll. I'm going to put it in the jar now. Just like that, to save any mess or mitigate the mess. The jar's dry, so commit to it, pour it in. And that is a whole jar of chili sauce. Now, really don't like these chopsticks with these metal ends. There's no need to have these bloody metal ends on the ends of chopsticks. Always fall over when you're doing stuff. That is still very hot. I'll bring it to the camera just to show you. That is a big thing of sauce. Now, have a look at that. Beautiful, vibrant, and by accident I made exactly the right amount to fit in the peanut butter jar. This is still, still very hot actually, and of course don't put the lid on it yet. Let it cool down completely. Just leave it. If you leave the lid on that, things could get a bit nasty and birdy, and you could end up with a hurty hand. Well, that's that one. Next time I do one on a bit more complex, like and describe, or even, yeah, like and describe why you like it, then subscribe, and, well, subscribe, then you would have been subscribed. Anyway, I'm rambling. Till the next time.